welcome back to another video. So I've had a couple of things turn up from Kredioo. So this is from Kredioo on Amazon, and it's a set of nail art brushes. Guys, these are so pretty. Let me just get these open. So yeah, it's a set of 8. Is it 8? Yeah, set of 8. And I'll just quickly go through them and show you what you're getting. Look at these handles, they're like red metallic, they're really smart. So you've got like a big rounded brush, I like that. Them handles are beautiful, I like the branding as well. And then you've got a shorter, that'd be great for a clean up brush, really straight edged brush. They've got really fat little bellies on these brushes as well, they're really nice quality. And then again we've got a flat angled brush. And this ombre brush is so soft. Best ombre brushes are really soft ones. And it is ultra soft. So I can't wait to give that a try. And then this one is more like a 3D acrylic sculpting 3D kind of brush that you use. Yeah, like a 3D acrylic brush. Like a number 4 or something, isn't it? And then it's got a liner brush. I think that's about 15mm maybe. Because the one I've got is 20mm. The one I currently use. So I think this is about 15mm. It's a good length. Perfect for natural nails. And then the last two are double enders. So we've got a dotting tool on one end. And a teeny tiny little detailer brush on that end. And it is small as well. It's a perfect little skinny detailer brush. And then this last one, that's got a teeny tiny little dotting tool on the end of it. And this one's like what you'd use to do little petals and flowers and stuff, isn't it? So yeah, I can't wait to do something with these. They look like really nice little brushes. I really like the feel of them. I like the look of them. And there's one of everything in there, isn't there? One of everything you would need for all sorts of nail art. I like them. Right guys, and they've also sent across some drill bits. I'm personally really happy with these because I use ceramic bits. I don't use the metal carbide bits. I use ceramic. So this comes with like your brush, your bowl bit, a cuticle bit. I think that's a cone head. And a couple of barrel bits. I don't know the proper names for them. But there's fine, there's medium, there's coarse. I'm going to go for this medium because that's what I normally use to remove my nails. And I'm going to use the Kredioo wireless. I love this drill. It's a powerful little pocket rocket. It's 35,000 RPM. So it goes all the way up to 35,000. You should never need it on that. I normally put it on 18 to remove my nails. So I'm going to test these drill bits out. As I said, I normally use a medium ceramic bit. So that's what I'm going to use out of this kit. So I've just pinged all my gemmy bits off. And I'm just snipping these down shorter. And then where my gems and stuff were stuck on the nail, I'm just going to file them off. Because they've always got little bits of shard stuck in there. And I'm always scared of them pinging and hitting me in the face. So I'm just going to file that off. And then I'm just going to show you filing 1 or 2 off. It's not a removal video or anything. It's just to try these little drill bits. So this is the medium. I think it's called barrel bit. And I like to, when I'm filing my nails off, I like to go up the sides, around the cuticle first. Sides and cuticle. And then I'll just start swiping across the top. And they're actually not bad drill bits, guys. It's 6 drill bits and they're £8. So please don't expect them to work like a Wilson drill bit would. They are £8. But you know something guys, they did the job. I am used to using quite a good drill bit. So it was a slight step down for me, I'm not going to lie. But they're £8, they're just your budget drill bits, aren't they? You can't expect anything more for that price. They do the job, you get a nice variety. And yeah, I was quite happy with them for that price, I really was. So yeah, I'm just going to remove one more nail. And then we'll try out one of the little cuticle bits or something. I don't know what was going on with my lighting in this video. It kept going up and down. I don't know if that was my camera or the actual light. Not sure, but I'll let you watch for a sec. So that's them all removed using that medium barrel bit. Just took me a bit longer than it would normally with my better drill bit. So now I'm just using this little skinny cuticle bit, we'll call it, and I'm just floating this over the dead skin. And again, it removed the dead skin. It did all right. This little budget drill bit did. You can see there, it does remove. It does the job. It does the job. So yeah, I was quite happy with them. And once I've got rid of all this dead skin, I'm going to use the ball bit and just the bits of skin that I normally use my nippers to remove. I'm just going to use the ball bit to buff it off. And again, it did the job. It buffed off all that dead skin, and I was quite happy with them for the price, definitely. So this is the ball bit now, and I'm just going to get rid of all that. You get like a little lip of skin that I normally use my nippers and snip off. Yeah, I'm just using the ball bit just to buff it off. I did cut myself there, but that was with my hand file when I was filing the last layer of gel off. This little ball bit won't cut you, it won't burn you. It'll just buff off them bits of skin. So there we go, guys, that's both hands removed, ready to do my Christmas nails. That's what's going on these hands next. But yeah, I'm not impressed with my fingers at the minute. I had an allergic reaction over a week ago and my skin is just horrible. Anyway, back to these ceramic bits. Yeah, I think they're a decent little budget set of drill bits for someone just starting out. I think they're a fantastic little set for the price. Six bits for £8, I think they are. Yeah, they're a fantastic little set of drill bits. And these brushes, I can't wait to get stuck into these. They feel like really nice brushes, and I am so fussy with brushes. So, like the drill bits, you will get my honest opinion on them when I use them. But yeah, I think the brushes are going to be decent. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links for these below. I've got a 10% discount code for Kredioo for Amazon. I'll leave that below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.